Hey guys, this is Chase Harrison, CEO of Alta Labs. Our long-awaited 48-port PoE switch is here. This workhorse features 48 ports of pure PoE plus power, boasting a 740-watt power budget, and can be managed from anywhere in the world without a license fee from our scalable, responsive, and highly secure cloud platform, either from a PC or a mobile app, or by either of our on-prem management solutions. It can be rack or wall-mounted. It also includes rack studs Duo for super easy toolless rack installs. Let's go ahead and unbox the S48-APOE and set it up for the first time. As you open the gift box, the first thing you will see is the accessory box. Behind it, the S48 itself. Inside the accessory box, you will find the quick start guide, power cord, hardware kit with the rack ear screws as well as rack studs Duo, and then finally the rack mount ears. As you look at the front of the S48-APOE, ports 1 through 32 are gigabit, while ports 33 through 48 support 2.5 gig speeds. When a 2.5 gigabit per second device is connected, the link LED will illuminate blue, but the link status in the management platform will show white. On the far right of the switch, you will notice 4 SFP Plus ports for 10 gigabit per second uplinks. It also includes our unique space gray color, matching effortlessly with our existing 16 and 24 port models. When attaching the rack ears, there are a few different installation options. By using the 4 screw holes in a square pattern, you will notice the switch sticks out past the rack ears by 5/8 of an inch or 15 millimeters. By using the triangle pattern, the rack ears sit flush with the front of the switch. You can rotate rack ears to face the top or the bottom of the switch in preparation for a wall mount installation. To set up the S48-APOE in the management platform, power up the switch and connect it to your router or switch with a connection to the internet. You can use the mobile app, leveraging the built-in Bluetooth radio for easy adoption, or pull up a web browser and head to manage.alta.inc. Once you have the site pulled up that you want to add the S48-APOE to, click the Setup button. Once added to the site, you will begin to see real-time traffic reports appear on your dashboard. If there is a firmware update available, a yellow up arrow will appear next to the firmware version. Once the firmware update is complete, you can click into the S48 icon in the management platform to start configuring the switch and individual port settings. For a more in-depth video on how to configure our network switches, including individual ports and how to set up port colors, also known as profiles or groups, please check the link to the video in our description. Thanks for being Alta Labs fans.